Hello everyone, I just wanted to give an update on my GI LED sticks, and I have added JST XH connectors to these, so this is how they come now. And I'm also going to add to the store JST XH cables, so I have 100, 150, and 200 millimeter long cables to go with this. So when you combine those together, you end up with something like this. So you've got the LEDs that you're still going to need to solder on when you buy them. You buy them as a kit. But now I've got connectors and cables that you can just plug in to these things. So, and here I've got the standard blue glow from CobraPin running. So turn the lights off here and you can see it a little bit better. But obviously these can go much brighter than this when you command them to full brightness. But anyway, that's the update that I wanted to show you, let you know that I've got connectors and cables now for the GI lights. Thanks. See you next time.